my voice. So, this person wanted to hear my voice. Kinda. Okay. So, I am, of course, this is not fake, if you wonder, but, here, watch this, or something like that. This, no, not that person. Don't look at it. This is kind of what I wanna show the people. Wait, where'd it go? It's gone. It's gone. Oh. It's right there. So, I got this from a website. Drew a picture of that man right there. And, oh wait, there's a picture I drew also. Just kinda show you guys some pictures that I can draw. This is my first one. But awesome. Not real. But I did get this guy a couple months ago. So this guy, look at him. Beautiful. Okay. So this is, I'm not gonna show my face in this one at all, but I'm showing my voice since my mic didn't really work. I have this setup right there, if you can see. I have this. I got headphones. I do have headphones with a mic, of course, but for some reason it does not work. Why is it upside down? It's not, I don't think. But that's my setup. And that's my voice. So you can get a little view of my working station. Kind of. Where like it's that is nothing you need to see. Just Deadpool. Not your friendly. Okay, and I think that will be the end of my video. So, bye-bye.